I'm Todd with Discount Garage Door. When I got here today, I looked over Jim's door, changed all the rollers, replaced 2 hinges, put backers in behind them to support them better, adjusted his spring, adjusted his operator, and got his door in tip-top shape. I always tell people to get some silicone spray and oil your door about 3 or 4 times a year, and it'll help your door maintain its good free rolling system. Whenever the door is dragging with bad rollers or bad hinges or a bad spring, it really affects your motor and causes your motor to wear out faster than it should. So it's good to keep your door in good working order so you don't have to replace your motor.